fachada. Gatinha rebola na vibe acelerada. No Prada, no Prada, no vibe acelerada.
Gatinha rebola na vibe acelerada.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah. No, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. See the horizon, turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. is cold and losing my control. Your light is gone, lonely darkness fill my soul. I wish that you could save me from my isolation. It's way too complicated. Stop this conversation. Stop this conversation.
Time to take out their
We
rubbish.
got no relation. Stop this conversation. Stop this conversation. We got no relation. No relation. We got no relation.
Searching for the light, been learning to fight through the darkness. I'll get this right, we were born to shine, and we still got time, it's not hopeless. Don't look now, here comes that awful feeling, my walls are caving in. Heaven, have I see my ghost on the ceiling, let me breathe again. 'Cause I just wanna live my life, I'm never backing down, I swear I'm gonna fight the good fight. Just wanna get it right, I'm ready for it now. You know I'm gonna fight the good fight. You know I'm gonna fight the good fight.
Does anyone have a fire extinguisher?
You know I'm gonna fight the good fight. crown, but no, I will not bow. You know I'm here right now for the long run. Yeah, you see me down, but you know I'll never drown. You know I'll get back up on it somehow. Don't look now, here comes that awful feeling. My walls are caving in. Heaven help, I can see my ghost on the ceiling. Let me breathe again, 'cause I just wanna live my life. I'm never backing down. I swear I'm gonna fight the good fight. Just wanna get it right. I'm ready for it now. You know I'm gonna fight the good fight. Fight the good fight. Fight the good fight. Fight the good fight. Good fight.
For the stars, traveling so far,
discount on select
like a
items.
dragon
Everything's for sale.
Everywhere, just you and I run away. I run away.
Take day, another dollar.
I was angry before, but I circled the drain.
I'll be right with you.
I can't find. Don't let the sun go down. Don't let the sun go down. Don't let the sun go.
Time to show the kids how it's done. You were out.
Hold tight, I've been right where you're standing. Just hold tight to me. The world tries to be you and leave you lonely, but there's light to see. 'Cause now
Super rare.
This fight wasn't made for everybody. We're different, you and I. Don't you know? We are God. They can push, they can break, they can go on both ways. Call me by another name, but I'm a champion.
'cause it's you, no.
Super rare.
Ain't nobody else who loves me like that. You love me like that, no. You give me space when I give you the sky. Then you got me thinking we could try. Ain't nobody else who loves me like that. You love me like that. When I say it's over, but I really do got no one wanna go back. So just hold me closer. Ain't nobody like us now, I know. So come on and love me like you did before. Tell me I'm worth fighting for. Show me that there's something more. We can do better. Everybody think we built these walls, but tonight we'll watch the stars fall. Love me like you did before. We can do better. We can do better.
take me out to the waves, 'cause I feel like a waste of space, breathing in the air. But you want me like I might just break, like you want me there. So I went down to the river and swam till the panic was over. Yes, I went down to the river, washed all the heavy rain, washed all the heavy
Stop wasting time. Yeah, I wanna run off and fly. And I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. I hate all this overthinking. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver, no more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar, bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of my mind, to where we started out.
Maybe like 3 and leave.
I'm not gonna care.
Super rare.
Rare. Rare.
Epic.
Why are we scared of the unknown and not the past?
Rare.
Look for distractions so we can get it off our minds. It's hard to stand when we don't feel strong. But look around, we are never alone. It's hard to stand when we don't feel strong. Look